What's going on, everybody? Here, let me clean off this lens here. What's going on, everybody? So I have my trolling motor plug and receptacle, and I think I'm gonna try to maybe tackle installing that today. There it is right there. So I'm thinking that I'm actually going to mount it about right here. So, you know, I can plug it in right there, nice and easy, and have the wires come in to my battery, which is going to be located right here. So that being said, I don't have the right hole saw size, so I think I'm just going to make like a couple of cuts in a circular motion, and then maybe you know, clean it out with like a drill bit or something like that, and then silicone it, run the wires to where the battery is going to be. I think it's actually a 50 amp breaker that I'm going to be mounting to the wires and then to the trolling motor battery. And let me just be the first one to say that I don't really know what I'm doing, but I think we can figure it out. So anyways, get ready for it. I don't know, I'm thinking like right there. It ain't got to be perfect. Now if I was paying somebody for this, it better be perfect. But since it's just me, I think I'm good. This is not the right size, but you know, hope for the best. Oh man. Oh geez. Oh, like a glove. Great, now I can't fucking get it out. Jesus. Okay. Probably run the wires. Shove those in there for right now. Yeah. Just gonna put a nice layer of the silicone on it. Wow, those are weird screws. I've never seen like a screw like that before. Huh. Good thing on here, these are labeled, you know. You see, you got, you know, 1 negative, 2 positive. 3, I guess, is just there. Maybe you have like a 24 volt system or something. I don't know. I'm not an electrician. I'm just a regular guy doing regular stuff, trying to make it seem extraordinary. You know what I mean? We're gonna take this, I'm gonna lop this right off. This one's my positive, I'm fairly certain. That one's my negative, I'm fairly certain. We'll find out one of these days. Since I don't have wire strippers big enough, just having to use these instead. Doesn't look all that great. Really nice thing about this is that you can transfer it to whatever trolling motor you got. Even if I went and got like a 55-pound iPilot one brand new, which I can't do, I just slap this plug on there and it would be perfect. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh boy. Really messed that one up, Johnson. Trolling motor plug and receptacle here. Turned out great. Functions just like it should. Nice and sealed. Easy release. When I installed it the first time, I actually forgot to put this piece on, so that was fun. Nice arm full of fiberglass.